may pupuntahan kami. How's the comeback sa training? Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko, guys. Lahat kami. Ang sakit ng katawan namin. And like, ayun, sakit katawan namin. Pinaakyat baba kami sa, stairs. Nala ko ba sa trip to Jerusalem? Hindi! Alam niyo yung nangyari. Kinuha ni Joanna yung upuan. Kami ni Sheena yung last. Tapos kinuha ni Joanna yung upuan. Tapos hinabol-habol namin si Joanna. Pinagbigyan ko na lang si She. Pinagbigyan! Wow! Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Blue Shane, for Chocolate Hills. Thank you po. Grabe. Ito naman pala ang blooms. Excited ka ba? Thank you, Kuya Franco, for Harana. Thank you po. Ay. Alam niyo, may prepare akong song for you guys. Kasi, you guys kept on saying for me to sing Off My Face last year. Kaso hindi ko kasi siya alam. Like, nung time na yon. So, naaral ko na siya. Thank you, Jason Pinoy Yorker, for Miss Communiverse. Mama Reka raw, sabi ni Aya. Ano daw? Madaya. Si Aya talaga na una. Guys, it's about it's like, it doesn't matter kung sino mauuna. It's about, like, ang tawag dito? It's like, if you're gonna last, it's the stamina, right? And it's like, who can hold out the longest, am I right? Yeah, I'm right. In English na naman kami. Ay, sorry. Tinulak ko. Uy! Kasalanan ko ba na nasa upuan ako? So, like, fighting. Okay. With care naman. With care. Sali ka Kumu campaign. Paano? Paano nga ulit magsali ng Kumu campaign? Pwede bang sumali ngayon habang naka-live? Pwede. Okay, teach me how. Pag nag 100k tayo, kakantayin ko yung Off My Face. Fill up ka form. Shucks, fill up ka form. Hi, Mika! Sheena's uncle. Hi, Pos! Hi, Tito Jason! Mamaya ka na mag-fill up. Okay lang kung mamaya na. Thank you, Jays, on my feet for diamond shower. Wow. Okay. Ito yung Off My Face. I'm gonna sing the Chaeyoung version. Bloom Joyce, ano year? One touch and you got me stoned. Wait lang. Ano to? Magpili ka ng sticker. Ano? Paano? Yung sa taas sa options. Options. Pick of... add stickers? Yun ba yun? Ay, hindi. Yes. Okay. Super 100. Naunsa. Super 100. Ano to? Kahit ano pipiliin ko dito? Ay, to. Anong mapapalunan ko dito? Mapapalanon. What will I win here? Ay, hindi ko makita yung comments. Wait lang. Ah! GCash. Okay. I love GCash. As a GCasher, okay. Nagawa ko na? Ayun. Okay ko dito. Dito? Mapapanalunan. Okay. Noted. Baba mo onti. Okay. Sa kabila? Ba't kailangan sa kabila? Kasi natabunan. Oh, sorry. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Ganun pala yon. Okay. Hi, Zorororo. Anong... Fill up Carol later para ma-register yan. Okay.
Higher than I've ever known. You call the shots and I follow. Sunrise but the night's still young. No
Nakikita niyo ba? Brown na siya dito sa taas. Dark brown. Tapos dito black siya. Kasi deny ko yung hair ko na black.
Your touch blow my vision. It's your word and I'm just sitting even sober. I'm not thinking straight. Cause I'm over my face in love with you. I'm out my head so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you.
Thank you, Ate MJ. Thank you, Mika Salisa. Thank you, Sheena Cal.
In my blood. I don't need the way you keep me up.
I'm nerva. Thank you, Ate Lorraine.
Oh,
hi, Ma.
Mama, it's
like
2
a.m. there. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi, mga 11
Cause
p.m.
I'm over my face in love with you. I'm out my head so into you. And I don't know how.
So, kamusta yung break niyo, Blooms? My mom is still in the US. What day ka ulit sa ItzyCon? I'm in the second day. Kailangan ko nga ulit hanapin yung ticket. I work nung bakasyon. Oh, it's okay. I understand. Ako lang umuwi. Umuwi ako with my uncle. And then, yun. Nangungulila sa inyo. Natulog lang nung bakasyon. Ang sarap. Don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Thank you, Joanne Bautista. How about me? I went to Arizona and I spent time with my family, my cousins, my family, my cousins, my brother and sister. And then my brother was like, Mika, why do you always end the call without saying I love you? Or you just say like, okay, bye, and then end the call. Kasi lagi akong tinatawagan ng brother ko. Kasi, oh my God, he's just so clingy. And yeah. And then, he would be like, wait ba yung song? Okay. Thank you, Timika Salisa. Thank you, Justin. Yeah, so my brother's very clingy. And he always calls me. And usually I'm at work. So we talked about it when we saw each other, and then he was like, why are you always so cold? And I'm like, what do you mean? I'm just kidding. Alam ko naman. Kasi, you know, I'm just not like that.
Babalik pa rin sa atin. Kahit di mo ko hanapin, mapabalikin lang sa'yo. Pinabawi mo ang uhaw ng aking puso. Sabik sa lalim ng pagtingin mo para sa'kin.
Ang ganda ng music taste mo. I know. Joke lang.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Bread smile. The first bread smile of Nika Lim for this new year. Ano ba yun? Hindi na ako marunong. Thank you, Ate Miv. Hi po. Ano ba yun? Love Scars post. Actually guys, hindi ko yun alam. Sabi ko kay Shi, ano yan, Shi? Tapos sabi niya, ay hindi to alam ni Mix for sure. Ito papakita ko sa video. Ay hindi, wait. Ito muna nangyari. Sabi ni Shi, uy girls, mag-TikTok tayo ng Love Scars. Tapos ako, walang comment. Parang okay, parang ganun lang ako. Tapos sabi ni Shi, Mix, halika dito, pakita ko sa'yo. Teka, ganun kasi alam niya hindi ko alam. Ayun. Or 82.65k diamonds already. Sayaw din kayo ulit ng paligoy-ligoy. Oo, actually ang dami namin sinayaw. Hindi pa kasi nag-start training nung time na yun. Tapos nag-play lang ng K-pop song si Sheena. As in, ang dami namin sinayaw namin yung Anti-Fragile. Yung parang hindi namin naaral, pero like sa kakapanood sa TikTok. Parang na, ano na yun. Collide by Dice Akira yung TikTok mo. Tingnan natin. Kung may gana. May naisip ka ng gift kila Jo? Wala. Ayoko muna isipin yun eh. Bang pumidikit sa kamera. Anong gift mo kay Shi? Ha? Bayaran ko daw bills na yan. Thank you, Ate Meryl. Sino buys mo si Red Velvet? Actually, parang si Sulky and Joy and Wendy. Actually, lahat sila. Of having new place for training. Actually, mas bet ko yung place for training kasi mas malaki yung space. Thank you, Old for Mix, for the 100 joyful. I'm gonna go to the ITZY concert on Sunday. Ay, 100k na! Oh my God! Punta ba ako Glorieta tomorrow? Parang I can. Oh my God, the lighting. Teka nga. Oh, wait! Malapit lang ba condo niyo ng girls? Secret. Ayoko sabihin. Okay. We will sing. Dahil nag 100k na tayo, Baby talk ka. 2023 na yan pa rin pinapagawa niyo sa akin. Oops, there's an ad! Testing audio. Narinig niyo ako with music. Can you hear me with the music? Is alright? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Yung buhok ko. Alam niyo guys, pag nag-hairfall ako, okay lang sa akin. Kasi ang dami kong buhok eh. Parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, yan, sige, mahulog ka para mabawasan naman yung kapal-kapal nito. Testing. One touch and you got me stoned, higher than I've ever known. You call the shots and I'll follow. Sunrise, but the night's still young. No words, but we speak in tongues. If you let me, I might say too much. Your touch blurred my vision. It's your world and I'm just in it. Even sober, I'm not thinking straight. 'Cause I'm off my face, in love with you. I'm out my head, so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Can't sleep 'cause I'm way too buzzed. Too late now, you're in my blood. I don't hate the way you keep me up. Your touch blurred my vision. It's your world and I'm just in it. Even sober, I'm not thinking straight. 'Cause I'm off my face, in love with you. I'm out my head, so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Parang it's okay. Bye! That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Sampo pa. So, anong gagawin natin after neto? Hindi ko na alam. Anong gagawin natin? Hindi ko na alam. Basta hindi ako sasayaw. Masakit katawan ko. Magkwento ka. Magtinginan. Ay, alam ko na! Mag-staring contest tayo. Sabayan niyo pa rin ako. Alam niyo yun, kahit we're not really, Ay, basic. Basic! Sige, Okay. Pero madap may music dapat. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, natatawa sa ginagawa ko. Sorry. Wait lang! Isa pa. Okay. I-time nyo to. I-time. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
I've been missing you and I wanna hold you tight. You know, all my songs are all about you and the things that we do.
Iiyak na ako.
Baby.
Hindi ko kaya. Bakit ang...
Girl, it's you and me against the world. Baby, take my hand, walk toward this end. I wanna go with you. And
Okay, one more.
my boo. I wanna be your man. The future we will plan. The things we wanna do. Like watch the sunset with you. Oh no. Hey boy, wanna stick around with you all night long.
Hindi ko kaya. Bakit?
Till we get tired and finish all the songs. I liked it when you dance with me every single step. I feel so alive and thrilled. Oh, be my ride or die, baby. I never let you go. Oh boy, it's you and me against the world. Oh baby, take my hand, walk towards this end. I wanna go.
Thank you, Blue Shane. Thank you, Kim Song Song.
You, my boo. I wanna be your girl, and you become my world. The
Title ng song, Sunsets with You.
like watch the sunset with you. No.
Thank you, Ate MJ. Wala ka pala sa staring contest eh. Bakit, Ate Meryl? Kaya mo ba face to face? Staring contest tayo.
Baby, take my hand, walk toward this end. I wanna go with you.
Current face song.
My boo, I wanna be.
Check ko nga. Anong current fave song ko? Wala. Lagi lang ako kung ano. One of my faves ko pa rin yung Constant. Ano pa ba? Maganda ito. Yung song ni Rain.
Sleezing and teasing, I'm sitting on him. All of my diamonds are dripping on him. I met him at the bar, it was 12 or something. I ordered 2 more wines, cause tonight I want him. A little context if you care to listen. I find myself in a shit position. The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over, done decision. And I don't wanna feel how my heart is ripping. In fact, I don't wanna feel, so I stick to sipping. And I'm out on the town with a simple mission. In my little black dress and the shit is sitting. Is a heartbroken bitch, high heels, 6-inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with. In the back of the taxi, sniffing cocaine. Drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who was on the same page. Back to the intro, back to the bar, to the Bentleys, to the hotel, to my old way. 'Cause I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, anything please. Have mercy on me.
Ayan, may
Take this
DCC
pain
Sean
away.
Blue
Just give me
dito.
my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel. Took this joint, how I'm blowing this thing. Back to my
Naglalag.
ways like 2019. 24 hours since my ex did that.
Thank you, Kim Song
It's
Song.
about to get sweaty. Last night really was the cherry on the cake. Been some dark days lately and I'm finding it crippling. Excuse my state, I'm tired.
Surfing? Ito ba yung kinanta ng Blackpink? Let me check if I know this.
Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. You can bet that, never gotta sweat.
You can bet that, never gotta sweat that. You can bet that, never gotta sweat that. If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I'ma be the fuse. Hater, baby, you can be the muse. Yeah, I don't know the song that much. Wait lang. Let's check. Ba't ganun yung audio? Ganun talaga? You never know. Did I lag? Huh? Anong no? Kim Song Song. Ah, okay. You never know. Sige, mag-send lang kayo ng stickers, Blooms. Kaya niyo yan. Sige, na-mute ko siya.
It's bringing me down, down, down. 모두 너무 쉽게 내뱉어 날 아마 들리겠지 못하나. I've heard enough of the things that I'm not. 온 세상이 바뀌어가도 난 아직 나는 그대로인걸. 내가 걸어가는 이 길을 꿈꾸던 그때 그대로.
Okay. Anong gusto niyong kantahin ko pag nag 150k tayo? Ayan o, 150k na lang o, 2k na lang o. Cause you never know once you walk in my shoes. You never know. Na, 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 na. Thank you, Kuya Paolo Magsino. Wait lang. My lips are drying. Anong Blackpink song gusto niyong kantahin ko? Tally or Type a Girl? Tally. Okay.
I say fuck it when I feel it. 'Cause no one's keeping tally. I do what I want with who I like. I ain't gon' conceal it. While you talking all that shit, I'll be getting mine, getting mine. Don't apologize for my behavior. If you're offended, I don't care. Staring instead of staring in the mirror. Little weird how everybody tells me to play nice. Everybody just for looking twice. But my body don't belong tonight. And I'm not gonna change 'cause you say so. I say fuck it when I feel it. 'Cause no one's keeping tally. I do what I want with who I like. I ain't gonna conceal it. I'll be doing all the I'll be getting mine, getting mine. Yeah, I say fuck it when I feel it. 'Cause no one's keeping tally. I do what I want with who I like. And I ain't gonna conceal it. I just do it like the boys say. I'm getting mine, getting mine. Told me to play it cool, I break the rules, I'm breaking hearts in two. Want me to make the rules, I play the fool, it ain't that hard to choose. Pick apart the do's and don'ts and lose the won'ts, I'm getting mine. Mine's is mine, yours is mine, this is mine, get in line. Sometimes I like to go play dirty, just like all of the boys do. That's my choice and there's no one I'm hurting. And that's not girly, everybody tells me to
Type a Girl? Type of girl, chill version. Type of girl that don't make you wanna dream. Hindi ko natin ang lyrics. Type of girl that don't make you wanna dream. Type of girl that came straight up off the screen. Type of girl you wanna ice and make me freeze. Type of girl you wanna wife up stand up free. I'll bring money to the table, not your dinner. Both my body and my bank account could figure. Thinking about me, but there's nothing to consider. If I let you in my circle, you a winner. Didn't know that you were cold till you felt my fire. Heaven's gate just open up, it requires. If you say something else, you're a liar. Cause I'm that girl that drive you crazy, but you can't leave me alone. Got you thinking maybe I was supernatural. You on the spells, oh, look into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all. I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got a taste. I can make you love me when the only thing you done is like. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. Like a girl, da 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 da. Like a girl, da 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 da. I'm the type of girl that everybody tap, go and tap, tap, tap. What everybody like, you can check my stats. Got everybody's eye, and I run them laps around everybody's mind. All of these girls want some motherfucking shit, that mean they all cap. Being the best at whatever I do, that's on and on brand. Type of girl that you wish for when you blow the candle out.
Type of girl that you wanna take back to your mama house. Type of girl that don't ask for.
Ganyan. GG nga. Ano yung GG? Kainis, di ako makapag-record sa'yo. Why? Oh no! Charot. Girls' Generation! Gotta point you. Pero I'm not. Ba? Girls' Generation. Ano yung latest song nila? Can I request a song? Okay. When you reach 200k. Bakit Pepino? I don't know rin eh. We are one.
What she wants, she taking out. Type of girl who got bag and some quality of Chanel. Now you know that you were cold, cause you set my fire.
Who inquires? Let me tell me something else, you're a liar. Thank you, Ate Mika Solisa. Thank you po. Wow. Thank you po. Oh, malapit tayo mag 200k. It's love. We're not stopping. Di ka naman isang sanda. 아름다운가. What you know myself, you know it.
You and I 터지는 말하잖아. 난 그냥 전부.
Wala ka gala today. Mamaya pa. Siyempre may gala sa Mika lang. I love 너의 모든 우리는 영원, we are one. taas pala na itong kantang to. Fucking sun. Guys, alam niyo ba sa kondo ko, halos hindi... Nakita niyo yung back massager ko. May back massager ako dito, guys. I want this in the beanie raffles. You, turn it on like this. Hold. And it's moving. And then you put it here. Actually, nakahiga ako usually when I use this. Actually, pwede ako mag-live buong time na nakaganto. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Di ba nakakiliti? Wala akong kiliti eh. Unang fall sa 2023. We are one. Snooze by SZA. Okay. Anong nakuha mo nung party? I got nung beanie raffle, yung kami, yung nag-trip to Jerusalem, tsaka Hep Hep Hooray. I got a back massager and a tablet. Ako yung pinaka-lucky. Pero gusto ko sana yung gaming thing. Save song kasi. Thank you, Kuya Franco! Wow! Thank you po. Oh, we're almost 100K. Ano tayo matatapos live ko? 3:30. Pag nag-reach tayo ng madaming diamonds, mag-extend ako. Fave song ko sa ITZY. I really like Loco, Wannabe, ano ba? Mitzi, yung Ito. Trust Me.
Trust me with your heart. Yeah. Trust me. 방황 속에 있던 내가 네게 장히는 손에 잡혀 그 속에 가득한 내 꿈이 또 널 위한 마음이 날 잠 못 들게 하는 밤 기억 가득한 그랬지 하고 싶은 말
Thank you, Meyer Merlin.
용기 없어 깊게 숨겨뒀던 그 하루를 나에게 하고 싶단 말이야 믿지 넌 날 믿지 Trust me 가장 큰 선물 날 향한 내 믿음 It's you and I 너와 나 지금 이 순간 서로가 서로를 그 누구보다 더 믿지 I know we trust one another
Domino.
It's you 항상 네
Domino.
It's you
By ITZY ba? Mitzi, I know. Or this one.
노래인파 슬러시도 차례로 올라가서 커지는 스케일
Ooh.
시도하는 너만이 다른 애도 저런 애라 또 장게 가리는 거 없어 싹다
Ah, Domino may ITZY. Sorry. Sorry. Hindi pa ako nakakarinig ng mga lahat ng songs sila.
about ya city 한복판 잠들지 못한 빌딩 숲에 firefly Thinking about ya 주먹진 손과 꼬들듯한 face yeah 뭘로 삼켜내던 화려한 도시 뒷면 차고 치열한 이 전국 freedom Thinking about us city 한복판 잠들지 못한 빌딩 숲에 firefly 네가 있기에 여기
Anong gusto yung gawin? Hindi ko alam na gagawin ko. Top 32 na sa campaign. Wow! Yay! Send more campaign stickers. Huminga ka lang sa kami. Flames na naman. Wait lang. Q&A na lang. Okay, Q&A, go shoot. Greatest what if mo. Greatest what if mo. Oh. What if hindi ako tumuloy sa auditions ng neto? Diba? Hindi ba yun? Baka mag-overthink ka din. Siyempre, as an overthinker, what if panaginip lang lahat to? Kung panaginip, edi... So, parang panaginip siya na you can see in the future. Parang ganon. Edi, ulitin ko na naman. At least may alam na ako sa sayaw, diba? Tsaka kanta. Diba? What are you looking forward to the most this 2023? What I'm looking forward the most in this 2023 is that this 2023, I hope, sana makapag out of the country ulit kami. If meron if meron lang naman. Pero, I really hope we'll be able to perform more, like mall shows, like in different places dito sa Philippines. Kasi sobrang saya talaga ng mga mall shows. So, kung ano naman this girl. Ay, di na lang ako magsasalita. Eme. Okay. Favorite game ng Beanie? I don't know. Spin the wheel. Wheel of names. What if panaginip mo lang ang Beanie Girls? Ay, hindi yun panaginip. Ano yun? Bangungot. Joke lang. Joke lang! Nangyari na naman ako. Anong course ko if hindi ako Beanie? Feeling ko, na-realize ko lang kasi dito na gusto ko mag-psychology. Pero kung noon, gusto ko mag-business management. Accountancy. Nope. Count me out. Advantage and disadvantage na may sarili kang place. Siguro ang advantage ay you have your own space na you're alone. You don't have to look for a place na parang to stay in na you want to be alone as in ikaw lang na walang manggugulo sa'yo. Kasi kahit may manggugulo sa akin na tao, ilock ko lang yung pinto. Wala akong pake, diba? May peace of mind ka. Ganon. Tahimik. Ayun, yun talaga yun eh. Tapos, yung disadvantage siguro, like, for example, may papadeliver ka, or parang may kailangan, parang, ano ba yung disadvantage? Ikaw yung mag-aayos ng mga gamit mo. Yun yung pinaka-ayoko kasi I hate packing, I hate unpacking, ayoko lahat yon. Aakit pa sa unit ko, ang bagal minsan ng elevator kasi daming tao. na bumababakyat kasi nag-work rin sila. Pero good thing, hindi ko na sasabihin. Anyways, ano ba? Tsaka when I get lonely, I don't get lonely naman. Pero if I do, I live near my friends. Like, I have friends around here. So, I can just, you know, like, hey, let's go eat. And like, let's go hang out. And I'm just like, okay, let's go. Napapa-overthink kapag may narinig kang sound. Actually, hindi ako nag-overthink. Like, hindi kasi ako matakotin. Parang ganon. Greatest fear. Aside from someone special to me dies, like my family or something like that, you know. Feel like my greatest fear is disappointment and regret. Yung ganon. Ha? Sa'yo daw namin tanungin if anong hindi alam ng Blooms tungkol kay Stacy. Anong hindi niyo, alam ko na yan. Siyempre, di ko sasabihin. Sinabi niya yung sa'yo. Ano yung sa akin? Clingy ka daw sa kanya. What the heck? Ang feeling niya. Ipakita ko kaya lahat ng mga pictures niyang siya yung nakayakap sa akin. Tumawag ka daw sa kanya sa kagabi. Tumawag ako kasi may kikwento rin ako sa kanya. Tapos may pupuntahan kami ni Stako mamaya. So, para mapag-usapan. Ha? Pinakita mo lang daw na di ka kinikilig, pero deep inside na. Makakainis ni Stako. Kung ano sinasabi. Tinatago mo raw kilig ko. Feeling ko naman, normal naman yun. Kasi like, there are those type of people who don't want to seem vulnerable, diba? Ako, ganun ako. And I'm always usually poker face. Tsaka yung kilig, hindi naman, pero pinapakita ko yung kilig ko pagdating sa mga celebrity crush ko, ganon. Like si Sir Gary. Si Sir Gary lang ata yung celebrity crush ko. Sasabihin ko lagi sa kagasagasang, pogi ni Sir Gary. Tapos si Sir Gary, nung backstage, sabi niya na parang he watched HIH daw, sobrang galing daw ng cast, ganon, the story, like wow talaga, ganon. Tapos after nung sinabi niya yun, kilig na kilig ako, sabi ko, oh my God, marunong na daw siya tumawid, sabi ni Stako. Talaga ba? Paano pagkilig sa guy? Si Stako. Yan, ganyan daw mukha mo. Wow! Yung sa kanya, yung kay Stako naman, ito Si Stako, hindi siya marunong mag-read ng room. Kung ano-ano sasabihin niya. For example, awkward na sa kwarto. Tapos biglang may sasabihin siyang something na ganito. Tapos hindi siya aware minsan sa mga sinasabi niya, you know? So it's like, are you kidding me? Like, shut up? You know? Yeah, I'm like, why are you asking that? Like, why? Like, are you stupid? Joke lang. Tapos, ano pa? Si Stako, ang ingay. Si Stako, matakotin siya. And a crybaby. And personalan na pala ito. Siyempre, ba? And si Stako sobrang clingy niya talaga. Tapos kapag may kailangan siya, Mix, gaganon siya sa akin. Sabihin niya, Mix, please, pwede ba ka tapos nagpapanik na siya agad. Sabi ko, chill lang. Sige. Panik ka agad parang ganon. Maglalambing siya bigla. Yan. Sino mas sweet sa'yo, Gwen or Staku? Si Staku kasi, si Gwen kasi, I mean, sweet naman si Gwen. Minsan, depends. Kung may kailangan si Gwen, dun siya magiging sweet. Si Staku, sweet siya, like, depending on, like, the person. Ako si Mika ang mas sweet. Of course! I'm so sweet. I know, right? Like, I'm the sweetest of them all. Joke lang. No, I feel like yung pagiging sweet ko, it's not like hug, ganon, or something like that. It's like more on acts of service. I'm not clingy. I'm really not. Like, stop. Huwag nyo na i-push, okay? Walang makakonvince sa akin na clingy ako. Hindi porket hinag kita isang beses o inakbayan, clingy na ulit ako, okay? Stacy, noted? Ano gusto ko matutunan this year? Gusto ko matry pumuntang Japan, tapos magsuot ng yung suot nila na damit, tapos mag-picture-picture sa cherry blossoms. Ganon. Nakapaglibot ka ba doon? Hindi nga eh. Ang tagal ng layover namin, tapos pwede pala humingi ng visa if like more than 10 hours yung layover, pero hindi namin nagawa. We didn't know. You are sweet sa actions and words. To be honest. Really? Am I sweet sa actions and words? Feeling ko sa words, kung deserve mo yung words, I'll do it. I'll say it to you. But I usually don't like sa words. Parang you have to be someone in my life na I really appreciate. Like, for example, si Staku. When I tell her something, like, when I tell her na hindi siya yung tama sa situation na yun, I'm gonna tell her that. Kasi we're both comfortable at telling each other that. Kung siya hindi, at takot siya sa akin, kasalanan niya na yun. Joke lang. Sa blooms, oo, usually ginagamit ko words ko kasi, you know, like, that's the only thing I can do while we're not always seeing each other, like, in performances or something like that. So, like, words are the only thing I can use to reach out to you guys and show, like, my affection and my care. Ganon. And yun yung virtual hug thing. And then, when it's with people, usually it's like, I hold the door for them, I offer them a jacket, I get stuff for them. But if I'm lazy and I know that kaya naman nila gawin yon, like, it depends. Depends. Episode 4 na ng Blue Lock. Oh! Okay. Or 200k na. Tsaka kasi, I feel like to me, if may ginawang something yung tao sa akin, it's like, okay, I'm gonna treat you the same way I did, but then the effort is not the same anymore. Like, you're my friend, but we keep it, you know, like, we keep it, I don't know how to explain this. You're like putting boundaries. Yeah, like, I won't tell her any secrets of mine, and if she won't tell me hers, I don't care. But I'll still be nice to you, you know, like, if, you know, something like that. Ideal age to have a boyfriend. Feeling ko there's no ideal. paano ba to explain? Feeling ko it's just all about experience, really. Like, you could have a boyfriend at the age of, maybe like experience things first before you actually, like, experience how you feel and how you act towards someone in this situation. Like, you know, and how you handle them so that you can learn better, and then for your next relationship or something like that. Alam mo yun? Like, hindi mo kailangan label agad. Like, you know, don't rush. No rush and things. Like, just go with the flow. Is a clingy guy okay to be a boyfriend? Depende sa inyo. Ako ayoko. Kung kayo gusto nyo, edi go. Okay yun. Ba't ako tinatanong nyo? Sweetest thing, ano? What Beanie event do you miss the most? Guys, sobra ko talagang na-miss yung album showcase. As in, sobrang lala ng saya ko doon. As in, alam niyo yung kahit hindi ako kumanta, parang may kumakanta na rin ng part ko. Kasi rinig na rin yung boses niyo sa mic ko eh. Yung ganong level. Oo, like, tapos nakita ko yung fancam ng No Fear. Talon-talon lahat, parang nasa rave eh. Parang mga baliw. Joke lang. Joke lang! Basta pag No Fear yung kanta, automatic talon-talon. Okay? Okay. Do you like reading books? Actually, I have books naman here. It's just that, hindi talaga, as in, hindi ako ano, what you call this, hindi ako makabasa, like, lately, kasi I went to the US to spend family time, tapos dito, diretso training. Siyempre, may mga Christmas parties na kailangan yung mga pahabol na Christmas parties. Tapos, after that, training, tapos may ganap. So, parang ang hirap mag-settle down talaga dito. And like, well, it's by choice naman reading a book and putting effort to it. It's just that, like, I've been distracted with the K-dramas. Oh my God! Ang ganda ng Alchemy of Souls, guys! Like, I've been waiting for the season 2 and I finally finished it. And like, season 2 is way better. And usually shows, they don't really have better season 2s. Kaya minsan mas nagiging disappointing yung show. Pero like, season 2 is like extra, way better. Do you feel me? Do you understand? Let's play my top songs in 2022.
While I'm on Sunset, are you on the subway? While
Mix
I
kung
drive,
lalaki
are
ka,
you
sino sa Bini
getting on
jojowain
the
mo?
L train? Me in Manhattan's nice,
Wala.
so Malibu nights.
Ayoko.
You will know if you stay. You will know if you put up a fight. Your toes turn blue in winter. I'm getting red rum. That's a trick for all of the things left unsaid. I'm missing the drunken 2 a.m. strolls in K-Town.
Bloom, send more
Chasing fake highs in
stickers!
the Upper West Side.
Na-experience mo na mag-prank call? Ako yung nag-prank call?
Fucking on Brooklyn's in Brooklyn. Your Chelsea's in Chelsea. Hope that eases the pain.
Sino
So you
sa
remember to
HIH
miss
yung
me.
jojowain ko if
You
lalaki?
sold your car. Now you walk for miles.
I feel
If you
like
feel numb, crosswalks in my mind are shaky, so please hold on tight.
si Ate Vivory. Kasi Ate Vivory is just like so put together for me and like mature.
All
and
my
parang
demons have your
ang bait niya, ganon. Tapos parang gusto mong laging tanongin if like okay siya, ganon. Or like kamustahin siya. And like, she's just very genuine. And like, hindi siya clingy, ganon. But she's a sweet person.
Hope it holds you like I do.
Sino naging best friend mo sa cast? Siyempre si Raho. Sino ba ba? What is your 2022 favorite moment with Beanie?
choose. Summer's ending now and the nights are cooling down.
Super nag-enjoy kami sa ASAP
Remember
Vegas.
last
As in
winter
super.
when we would
Like-
drive around Silver Lake,
Like,
Hollywood.
it's
Pretty little
giving.
white lies got me good. Thought this was love, I was misunderstood. Feeling low on the low, driving through no hole.
You're biased
If I'm honest,
and
I
meaning if you're a
call,
blue.
but I'm trying to let go. And I hope you're happy,
Ako.
living life in taxis. But you always have me, you'll always have me. All my demons run.
Anime series that you've been watching. Check ko nga yung list ko.
ほらほら
Oh.
何もしなくて
Another Lookism. Ang ganda ng song sa Lookism. As in, like, let's hear it. It's called Fly Up, ata. Ayun yun.
오늘도 이렇게 하루가 지나가면 두려운 내일과 인사를 하지 않냐 눈앞에 마주한 사람들이 만든 상황은 나를 더욱 작아지게 만들기만 하지 소홀했던 자신에게 미안한 것만큼 또 미안해요 엄마 날 사랑할래 엄마만큼 알아 난 이겨낼 거란 걸 순간 눈 깜빡하면 두려움은 없어 Hello oh 힘겼던 몸엔 ain't no more I feel alive 살아있는 기분 soul hold 이렇게 오면 난 받아들일게 okay 왜 진작에 못해 나 귀엽던 나에게 들려주고 싶은 나의 노래 과거에 삶이 행복하단 걸 몰랐던 나에게 이제 웃으며 왜 상할 수 있다고 I know mom I'm grown 하늘 다 컸다
괜찮아 네가 원한다면 다 쏟아내 깊이 담겨진 슬픔을 다
Last P-pop idol you've interacted with. Jazz. G22 Jazz. Yeah. She's one of like our group of friends. We always go out together. Thank you, Ate Mika Salisa. If kasama ako sa Hugot Night dun sa HIH2, anong hugot mo?
Alright 나 I know 내가 이거 이더 밑에 타입하고 든건 내가 TV 맘마였어 give me hug bingo 답은 이미 나와 있지 love but I'm done 돌아보면 쉬워 그땐 어렵던 게 easy 어쩔 수 없단 변명은 나에게는 별로 그렇게 살아가면 예전에 나로 돌아가는 거 그건 별로 no I can see your eyes I can see your face I just want you with me we can let go up I can see your eyes I can see your face I just want you with me coming right back I can see your eyes I can see your face I just want you with me we can let go up I can see your eyes I can see your face
울어도 괜찮아 네가 원한다면 다 쏟아내 깊이 담겨진 슬픔을 다 비우고 채우면 돼 지켜줄게 곁에서 내 곁에 있어줘 울어도 괜찮아 네가 원한다면 다 쏟아내 깊이 담겨진 슬픔을 다 비우고 채우면 돼 지켜줄게 곁에서 내 곁에 있어줘
Last thing you bought? I bought the headphones. Same with Staku. Sabi ko kay Staku, I wanted to buy them. Gaya-gaya talaga siya. My God. Ngayon magkaparehas na kami. Pero like, it's still in the US. Like, my parents still have to bring it back. Kasi like, I had to order them online. Aalis na ako. So, parang pinasabay ko lang sa kanila. Okay. Ano pa ba? Ang gagawin natin? Saan ka babalik pag nag-US ka ulit? Gusto ko bumalik New York. Gusto ko talaga bumalik New York. Sobrang ganda dun. Mag-aaral ka ba this year? Yes. Are you willing to do another series after HH? Of course. Guys, kung nagpapa-prank call kayo, aside from wala akong extra phone to prank call, wala lang. Hindi ko siya trip ngayon. Next acting project, don't know. Is there something new you discovered about yourself? My God, I should stop speaking in this weird accent. Sorry. Anong nakuha mong gift? Sino nabunot mo? Nabunot ko, nag-switch kami ni Coach Red. So, nagbigay siya ng mga iconic socks tsaka lamp. So, buti na lang nagdala siya ng lamp kasi I needed a lamp. Bakit wala si Gwen at Stacy sa... Wala? Nakita. Mixed Bisaya, gamay ra good. No, I don't gamay it at all. Guys, wala nga akong extra phone. Hanggang what time ka, Mix? Alis na ako ng 3:30. Pero kung mag-ano tayo, 400K, i-extend ako. Gusto mo mag-lawyer if ever? Dati gusto ko mag-lawyer, pero I was like, shocks, ang haba ng time to study, the process, it's so long. So, like, for me, no. Or there was a point na parang nag-research talaga ako ng mga schools, like, even abroad, na kung, this was the time, like, I was about to get serious sa studies ko, kasi usually I don't. So, pero after that, yun na, nag-audition ako, so I didn't need it. Kung magpapag-color ka ng hair, anong color? Red. Dark red. Yung parang kay Cherry yung dati. Yung ate mo sa ibang bansa mag-aaral. Magta-try siya mag-aaral sa Arizona or she can just live with my tita. Pero dapat may scholarship para hindi mahal, di ba? Aray, ang sakit. What do you miss sa Beanie House? Wala. Sino mas clingy sa'yo? Si ate or kuya? Parehas sila. Nakakainis silang dalawa. Bakit kahit ang sungit mo, pero ikaw pa din love namin sa 2023? Ewan ko. Ano seat ko sa ITZCon? I think I'm in VIP 2. No, wait. Basta ito yung stage. Ito yun. Ito yung akin. Parang here. Sa area na to. Pag di siya nagsungit, hindi yan si Mika. Tama. May love life na ba sa 2023? Ano itong mga tanong nyo, guys? Puro love life. May pinagdadaanan ba kayo? What ITZY song are you looking forward to listen live? Yung Promise. Promise Me. Ata yun? Yeah, I wanna watch that. Or like, Loco and Wannabe. Kung magiging jowa ko si Hyuning Kai, Eddie go! Eddie for the go ako, guys. Si Hyuning Kai ba naman? Anong reaction ni mama sa TikTok ko, ha? What if kunin ni chair phone ko? Hindi ata ako ganun kalapit para ano yun talaga. Pag babalik ka sa school, anong school gusto mo? I don't know. Okay. Stop with the questions. Kakanta na ako. Pinagpapaisip niyo ako. Ayoko muna mag-isip ngayon. Mag-research pa ako sa schools and sa course and everything else. Thank you, Salisa Miko. Or you're the brother of Ate Mika? Salisa? Slay. May vacuum ka na dyan. Wala. Gusto niyo akong bigyan? Okay lang sa akin. May walis ako, pero like, kung may vacuum, di ba mas maganda yun? So, kung gusto niyo akong bigyan as like, you know. Ano magandang sukatin? Siyempre, try na, ano yun? Namiss niyo ba yung Terrified ko? Ang cold dito. Is it cold? Robot vacuum. Ano yun?
You, by the light, is the greatest find in the world. All around, you're the thing that's right. Finally made it through the lonely to the other side. You said it again, my heart's emotion.
Hindi, walang nag-text, walang tumawag. Check ko lang comments niyo. Natatawa ako eh. Ubat ka ba? Bakit? Okay! Kung may gusto kayong i-request na kanta, guys, mag-send kayo ng stickers. Okay? Because a lot of people are requesting songs. So I just can't give that privilege away to just anyone. So I hope you understand that it's not that easy. You know? And if I don't know this song, I'll have to learn it, not now. Okay? You are the light, it's the greatest find in the world full of wrong. You're the thing that's right. Finally, through the lonely to the other side. You said it again, my heart's emotion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I am in love. And I am terrified for the first time and the last time in my holy life. Wow, 16th spot. Let's go. And this could be good. It's already better than that. And nothing's worse than knowing you're holding back. I could be. Oh my God, nakalimutan ko na. Thank you, Hotdog, for sending stickers. Tama ba? Okay, guys, I'll be ending my live. 9 minutes left. Alam niyo ba? Nanood ako ng Singles Inferno. Sobrang entertaining niya talaga, guys. And like, sobrang natuwa ako sa ending na pinili ni Sulky si Jongwoo. Like, the serve. Right? And he's a barista. Like, who doesn't... A barista who can make coffee. And, you know, we all know, like, I love coffee. So, like, go. Did you watch At the Crawdad Sing? Huh? Fave coffee flavor. May coffee flavor? Huh? Ang alam ko lang, usually yung in-order ko, cafe Americano with, basically the barista drink. Just order that in like, you know, the coffee shop that we all love. Alice in Borderland. Okay, napanood ko na yun, yung second season. Sobrang nakakagulo ng utak. I swear. Like, and it's like, do you understand? Do you guys understand the ending? So, ito yung pag-explain ng sister ko. So, basically, Alice in Borderland, it means that everyone there, technically, they are not in the real world. And the real world, yun pala yung fireworks. It wasn't fireworks. It was like a meteor or a comet. I don't know. It's like, natamaan, diba, doon sa city na yon. So, those people na nandun sa Borderland, ano ba to explain? Parang, they're comatose. Yan. They're comatose. So, like, they're in the middle and they're in between. Like, they're like, afterlife and then your life. So, like, you have to win all the games so that you get to decide whether you're gonna stay in Borderland or, like, in real life and stay alive. And then, parang, yung mga instructors doon, yung mga kings, queens, or like yung owners ng mga cards, they they used to be players also. But then they chose to stay in Borderland kasi minsan like, diba it's better for them na parang they're in control of their life in Borderland rather than going back to the real world. So parang, ano yung ganon? Like, nakakainis talaga yung last part na parang yung si girl na yung queen, yung last queen, yung queen of hearts ba or diamonds? I don't know. She was like confusing the guy kung ano ba talaga yung Borderland. So parang ako rin na-confused. I'm like, akala ko rin nung una na parang sa brain lang siya. Pero hindi pala. So like, never mind. You think makaka-survive ka? Feeling ko, pagdating sa mga math games, no, hindi ako makaka-survive. Maghuhula lang talaga ako. Yeah. And then a lot of people were like, yung ibang blooms, they're like tagging me na kamukha ko daw si tag dito? Chishia. Sabi ko, huh? Supreme Court game. Oh my God, talo na ako dun. Manghuhula lang talaga ako. Fave character ko, yung doctor ba siya or nag-work sa forensics? Si Anne, yan, she's my favorite. She looks like my sister. Like, guys, she looks like my sister. Like, no joke. Like, she does. Like, the big eyes, like, white face. Yeah, she looks like my sister. Anong game ka makaka-survive? Feeling ko makaka-survive ako sa Queen. Alam mo yung game na tag? Yung may, ganon. Like, tan, yung ganon. Yes, that one. That one. I will survive there. Tutulak ko silang lahat. Wait lang.
Wish I could paint our love, these moments in vibrant. You play, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning. Street art, sarcasm, crass humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath you for daring, would you rather a cold flame, a thrill and no shame? Drugs, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye. I wish I could paint our love.
Okay. Kung may kakampi ka sa game, the song is called Coffee. Yeah. Kakampi sa Bini. Lahat sila matakotin eh. And for the panic. Si Ate Colette, parang mas gugustuhin ko na lang na like, dapat Dapat hindi ko iniwan nakabukas yung window eh. May pumasok na. Diba? Mag-solo na lang ako, guys. Tapos mag-meet na lang ako ng mga friends doon. You know how it worked. Diba? Tama. Thank you, Safasin. Ang pinakamahirap na game doon sa'yo. Aray. Sakit. Ang sakit ang pet ko. Ito lang ako sa bed. Pinakamahirap na game. Hello, can you hear me? Okay. Siguro yung pinakamahirap na game for me is yung Supreme Court game. Hindi ko na alam gagawin sa mga kumulit ko, guys. Give suggestions. It's so entertaining when other beanies make you laugh. Oh. Oh. What games of Borderland do you think you can't survive? Can't survive? Yung ano nga, Supreme Court. Tsaka yung ano, yung nasa prison area sila, tapos you have to trust one person para sabihin yung kung ano yung nasa neck, yung card mo. Kasi like, feeling ko I'm not a person who can trust easily. Yeah. Colette is more shy. Yes, she's an introvert. Kumain ka na? Yes. Alam niyo ba guys, pumunta ako sa cafe kanina kasi walking distance lang. Tapos, akala ko like, okay, chill cafe. Tapos medyo social siya. Eh ako nakachinelas lang, hoodie ito, tsaka shorts na pangbahay. But then I was like, you know what, whatever. Like, just gonna eat. And I just want coffee. So, it's okay. Masarap naman. Feeling ko mali kasi yung order na mali yung order na kape. The coffee I ordered was wrong because like it's not what I like or like what I usually order. So like I should have ordered something else. Anyways, very masarap yung food. Oh, it's 3:33. Okay, I guess I have to. Ang bilis lang pala ng live na to. Thank you, Ate Nick. I hope now we get to see you guys soon. Like, we have a live performance here sa Manila para like or like in the provinces para makita namin kayo. Sino kasama sa lakad ko? Lalabas kami, kasama si Jazz. Like, I'm gonna go out with Jazz also. And like, with more friends. Tapos makikipagkita ako kay Staku after. May papanoorin kaming something na dance. Fill up the form mix after live. O nga pala. Sige. Thank you, Ate Lorraine. Bye-bye. The first virtual hug of the year. Thank you, Ate Miv. Thank you, Ate Lorraine. Wow. Thank you, Joshua Dulfo. Thank you, Tennis Master. Bye, Blooms. Virtual hug. Hug. There. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Next time, I promise may try akong i-prepare. Bye-bye.